Masculine fashion isn't just about wearing men's clothes. It's an art form, a statement, and a lifestyle. But how do you nail the look? What are the do's and don'ts? And where do you find the right pieces? If you're interested in masculine fashion but attend a strict school with uniform requirements, check out my other video where I break down ways to incorporate masculine fashion into your school uniform. The link is in the description. Let's dive into the world of masculine fashion for women. Masculine fashion for women isn't just about throwing on a suit, it's about structure, fit, and confidence. Let's break down the core elements. 1. Tailoring. Fit is everything. Blazers, trousers, and even button-downs should be structured, but not oversized to the point of drowning your frame. This means investing in pieces that enhance your body shape rather than hide it. Custom tailoring or shopping from brands that specialize in androgynous fits can help you achieve this look. 2. Layering. Masculine fashion thrives on layering. Think turtlenecks under blazers, vests over crisp shirts, or even oversized coats over fitted silhouettes. Layering allows for depth and flexibility in styling, making your outfits more dynamic and seasonally adaptable. 3. Minimalism. Stick to neutral tones and clean lines. Masculine fashion is all about simplicity with bold statements. Black, navy, gray, and beige are timeless choices that form the foundation of many masculine-inspired wardrobes. You can always add a pop of color through accessories like ties, scarves, or pocket squares. 4. Accessories and footwear. Loafers, Chelsea boots, and structured handbags can elevate any look. Masculine footwear often grounds an outfit, adding an element of strength and polish. Structured handbags or crossbody bags in leather or canvas can complement the aesthetic while remaining functional. Like fashion icon Jenny Walton once said, "The key to pulling off a masculine look is tailoring. It should fit well and feel effortless, not like you're drowning in fabric." Now, where do you actually shop for these pieces? While men's sections are a great place to start, several brands specifically cater to women who love masculine styles. 1. Wildfang, known for edgy, androgynous styles that redefine gendered clothing. Their blazers and button-downs are cut specifically for women who want a masculine look without compromising fit. 2. Kieran Finch offers well-tailored masculine fashion for women. Their suits and dress shirts feature classic menswear elements with sizing that accommodates diverse body shapes. 3. The Frankie Shop, great for oversized blazers, relaxed trousers, and minimalistic pieces that lean into high fashion. 4. COS and Acne Studios. These brands are known for their high-quality, gender-neutral pieces that focus on structure and simplicity. 5. Thrift stores and vintage shops, a goldmine for masculine fashion. You can find high-quality, structured blazers, classic trousers, and unique accessories at a fraction of the price. Now, let's talk about how to style masculine fashion for different settings. 1. Casual looks. Oversized shirts, straight-leg jeans, and sneakers. Casual masculine fashion is about looking effortless while still polished. Choose pieces that are relaxed yet structured, such as an oversized Oxford shirt paired with high-waisted jeans and a clean pair of sneakers. 2. Office attire. Tailored trousers, structured blazers, and loafers. A double-breasted blazer over a fitted turtleneck or a crisp button-up with tailored trousers creates a sophisticated office-appropriate ensemble. Choose muted tones like navy, charcoal, and beige for a refined look. 3. Formal events. A well-fitted suit or tuxedo-style dress. Consider a classic black tuxedo with sleek lapels or a tailored three-piece suit. For added elegance, incorporate silk textures or monochrome layering. Not everyone can afford designer pieces, but that doesn't mean you can't achieve a polished masculine look. Here are some budget-friendly styling tips. 1. Thrifting is your best friend. Secondhand stores are gold mines for structured blazers, well-tailored trousers, and unique accessories. 2. Invest in versatile basics. Prioritize staple pieces like neutral blazers, crisp button-downs, and dark wash jeans that can be styled in multiple ways. 3. DIY tailoring hacks. If you find a great piece that's slightly off in fit, simple alterations like rolling sleeves, using belts to cinch waistlines, or even adding shoulder pads can enhance the structure. 4. Affordable alternative brands. Uniqlo, H&M, and ASOS offer well-fitted masculine-inspired pieces without breaking the bank. 5. Minimalist accessories. A sleek leather belt, simple watch, or structured tote can elevate an outfit instantly. At the end of the day, fashion is about feeling good in your skin. Don't be afraid to experiment, mix, and match, and most importantly, wear it with confidence.